Hello folks, thanks for tuning in. This is a inside video of a 2014 Keystone Alpine, a 3720 FB model. It is an all-weather coach. This unloaded vehicle weight rating is 12,420 pounds. The GVRW is 15.5. Up inside the floor plan here, as you can see, it's got a bathroom right in the doorway there. This is your half a bath model. It's got a throne, a sink, nice veneer mirror there, and you got a fantastic fan up there, high velocity vent fan. Really nice setup here. This is a very popular floor model here. Close it up, and there you go. It's got lighting here in the doorway, a little bit of elegant lighting there. Turning up into the coach, here's your control panels. It does have a little window up there in the bathroom, but going around slowly. Has a 4-door refrigerator, a convection microwave oven, fireplace, good size 49 inch flat screen TV, recliners with ottomans. That is a trifold sleeper bed sofa, 4 chairs and a dinette table. It's got imitation wood blinds. I'm not sure, they're really nice blinds. They don't seem to warp or fade in the high heat here. I do have them closed because it is kind of warm here. A lot of excellent storage, cabinets. You see there, inlet lighting, lots of lights everywhere. Does have a fireplace that works really well. Electric fireplaces work really well during the winter time. Take the chill out of the air. It's got a little pull-out slip desk there. I got a Samsung TV with surround sound, DVD, AM, FM radio. And stepping back here, you got a Dometic 4-door refrigerator, a 3-burner stove with oven. Again, that's a convection microwave. This is a really nice vlog. Just kind of a quick video here, folks. I don't want to waste your time focusing on one thing. Little flip storage chairs going up into the bedroom. Don't close your eyes while I do this. Okay, now let me turn on the light. Ta-da! This is a king-size bed. You got 2 dressers here. One right here. Another one across the way here. Boop. And you got a TV there. A little 32-inch screen TV in your slide out. These are opposing slide outs to make this pretty roomy bed. And that is your bedroom area. Going up into the front bathroom area, you got another throne. This is your washer dryer closet. It does have room to put a stackable in there, or you can save the room to put more wardrobe or what have you. But it does have another full closet here. It's got plenty of room. Cedar lined closet. Sink. There I am. But anyway, here's the step-in shower. Nice and big. Folks, if you want to see this, learn more about it, give us a call, 520-293-1010. Visit nelsonrv.com to see more inventory. Or you can reach somebody in sales. You can call or text 520-512-8171. Thanks for viewing. Happy RVing and enjoy the day.